Hey everyone, it's Amanda from amandabass.com, and today I'm going to talk to you about a couple of marketing tips that have helped my business. And the first one I want to start with is there's a difference between advertising and marketing. And advertising is when you're posting your pictures and you're basically asking for people to reach out to you. That's advertising, whether you're posting pictures of your product or the results you have, all of that is advertising. And that doesn't really work to the effect that marketing does because people don't want to be advertised to, people want to be communicated with. And marketing is about communication. It's about building relationships, and it's about reaching out to people and not always relying on people to reach out to you. When you're relying on people to reach out to you, that's what we call passive advertising or passive marketing if you're putting out lead capture pages and stuff like that. But when you're actively marketing and actively recruiting, you're out reaching out to people and always finding ways to help people and to improve people's lives. So that's the first tip I have to you is people don't want to be advertised to or marketed to, people want to be communicated with. So make sure you always have a two-way street of communication and make sure you're always listening more than you're talking. And the second tip I want to share with you is that people don't want to be sold. And nobody wants to feel like they're talking to a used car salesperson. So make sure when you're talking to people, you're not all extra pitchy, because really at the end of the day, you're looking to help people and you're not really helping anyone besides yourself if you're just ramming your product or service down people's throats. So really take the time to get to know people's needs, communicate, listen, and if there's a good fit where they find a value in what you have to offer, then they may become part of your team or become, a member of your site or, purchase your product. But if you're just pitching people all the time, you're going to turn people off. No matter how amazing your results are, they could be far better and amplified if you just communicated with people and learned and figured out what people's needs are. So those are my two tips. Don't market and advertise to people, communicate. And don't be pitchy all the time. Get to know people and get to know their needs. All right, I hope it was helpful. If you like what you see here, make sure you comment below and share it with your friends so they can get in on the goodness. And find me at facebook.com/AmandaBassOnline and amandabass.com. Talk to you soon. Bye.